Hey everyone, happy Sunday. I am really sore actually. Um, so I've been climbing bouldering for a few months now. 2 months maybe. Started maybe June, but I've been going on and off. And then my boyfriend has been climbing and a lot of our friends have been climbing for 4 years or something, so they're really good. And I finally broke and I finally started climbing yesterday. I got my very first V2, for which I'm really excited about. But that also means, and I think later on I did something where I fell, and then I did something to my neck and my back, and I'm my neck is super sore, so I'm kind of really tired. Also, although I slept a lot. I think I fell asleep at 10:30 or 11, and then I was gonna wake up. I think I woke up once around 10, a little bit closer to 10. That's a lot, and then I fell back asleep. And so now I think I'm reverse. I'm sleepy because I slept so much. I'm groggy because I slept so much. But I wanted to get this done, so maybe a short 1 hour live stream, because I wanted to get this done today in time for tomorrow. Hopefully, um, yeah. So I wanted to get this done so that tomorrow I can kind of get started on figuring out the design for the visualization. And wow, yeah, I'm pretty tired. I was considering not doing it and just kind of watching TV for a bit, but no, I'm gonna get this. Wow, my shoulders are super. Oh, thank you so much, Harry MBR, for following. Yeah, I thanks for following when all I'm doing is complaining about how sore I am. Yeah, my shoulders are a little bit sore. Actually, my friend warned me. He was like, "You're gonna be your shoulders are gonna be really sore tomorrow." But yeah, okay. So today, so last time around, we finished doing this script to take a screenshot. So this is still my tswift visualization. Sorry, I'm going back and forth because I'm trying to find my finder, which is very ironic. I can't find my finder. There we go. So I think earlier this week I was able to, there we go, download all these videos, all the YouTube, all the Taylor Swift music videos, and then I was able to write the script to take a screenshot. In this case, it was a screenshot every time every time there was a lyric. So the middle of a lyric, and yeah, and then that's where we left off, and I was super excited to take the colors out of them. So today, primarily, I think one of the first things we did with this project was get the colors out of the images and cluster them together with other light colors, and I did that on the front end. And today I want to kind of move that code over to server side, so then what I can do is take the colors out of them and then save all of that RGB information into a file. So that's why I want to do it with Node. And I've never done this before, but I have found this package called Get Pixels, which hopefully will just give me the RGB, maybe RGB A, although I don't need the A, I only need the RGB to pass the colors into the clustering algorithm. So let's try and get it started. Okay. So put it into scripts. So this script is for get colors. Yeah, get colors. Get and cluster the colors.js. I don't know if have I downloaded this package yet. Let's see. No, I have not yet downloaded it. Npm install save dev. Or my like voice is a little bit gone, so that's why I'm like my voice is super soft right now. Okay, get pixels. Although I should probably take care of my voice better because I'm ow, oh my god. Because I'm doing a recording with Front End Happy Hour, which I'm really excited about. I'm just gonna join in for fun. I'm not talking about. Yeah, so I got to meet them a little bit ago. There we go, right here. And got to do a podcast with them. They're a super fun bunch. And I think it's just like a panel of 4 to 5 people, and then talking about whatever topic they decide on. And so I got to be a guest on this one, and it was really fun. And today I get to join them for another one. I don't know if I'm allowed to say the topic, but I get to join them and just like, we literally, when I did not expect this, but I mean, I should have, but it's called Front End Happy Hour, and it's called, I thought it was like just a cute name, but no, we actually do drink drinks, and and I am down for anything where there is drinking, so I'm very excited. So I think that's at 4 p.m., so that's why it's also only a short 1 hour, and then I'm gonna relax a bit, and then go head up to set for the episode. Yeah, I don't know why I was talking about that. Oh, because my voice. I'm trying to save my voice a little bit. Okay. Oh, and the last live stream, thanks to Cher and one other person who was, I think, W King. I now know how or when to use const and let and var. Yes. So I think this is where I say const. I mean, I know theoretically, so, but I'm still not very good in practice. Pixels is equal to require get pixels. SQPM. Hey, actually, if you have like another name you want me to call you by, like, because SQPM is like a little bit harder to roll off the tongue, but yeah, drinks count me in. Yes, drinks always count me in. I was like, this is so fun, and I'm really excited to go back and hang out. Get pixels. Oh, so actually, I think what I should do is, I want to read in images, and the images I have are in a screenshots. There we go, a screenshots folder. And so I can either read in basically all the files from that directory, or I can read in, let's see, I have a data file, yes, this one. So maybe I should read in this one, because that way I can then also put, should I put all of my color information, all my color data into this JSON also? I think I should probably do that. Yes, I think so. Because this also, does this have, yes, this also has the timestamp information. Yeah, that'd be perfect. So I'll put the color, I'll put, I think, the array of colors or whatever into this file. So it makes sense to read this file in instead of kind of like, yeah, that makes sense. Const fs is equal to require fs. And then const, let's see, video data is equal to fs.read file sync and data, and then okay, to copy your name Why aren't you letting me copy your name? Sure, I can do that too. .json, console log that to make sure. Oh, and I want to read that in as UTF-8. Oh, my neck. Okay, ooh, actually, I think, okay, so this is what I learned. So if I need to change, if it's going to get reassigned, then I want to use let is equal to json.parse video data. As QPM, do you record save these streams anywhere? It could be cool to make a time lapse of the whole project once we're done. Yeah, actually, I was thinking about that. So I put all my videos up here on my YouTube channel, same handle, and I put them into these playlists. Wait, this is, there we go, these playlists. So this is the tswift one. And yeah, so I think we could put them into a time lapse. I wasn't sure if people wanted like a time lapse of my coding or a time lapse of my project going forward. I don't know. So, but that would be fun to put things into a time lapse. Yeah, so that YouTube channel is for archiving purposes. So the problem is that with Twitch, they only keep my videos for I think 2 weeks, and then it goes off. I'm guessing they delete it. I don't know. It goes off somewhere. And so for archiving purposes, I've been exporting all of my Twitch live streams to YouTube. Yeah. Okay, node. Oh man. That scripts. And this one is get cluster colors. Perfect. So I have all of that. Now I just need to go through each of them. So let's go through, let's just test one of them. Get pixels, and it is in the screenshots folder, and it's called, so this one, this gives me the PNG file name. Cool. So it's video, let me just take the first video data in the screenshot. It gives me the file name. I'm going to console log this just to make sure that it's the right. I should be able to use string literals in Node. Yeah, that makes sense, right? String literals. Did I just say screen literals? String literals. Pixels. Console.log. So if error between console.log bad image path. Ooh, bad image path. Yeah, they're actually fussy. And then here I'm going to say console log the pixels. Pixels.shape.slice. What's the shape.slice? It is a bad image path. Why? Huh. Console log the error instead. The image path looks correct to me. Let me see. Screenshot. It's this one, right? .mp4 at 2.1.633 png. Yeah. No such file or directory. Let's just call open. That looks right though. Okay, let me just try a regular. I can read file. Wait, nude read image file. We should just be able to do that. Nude read. So I should just be able to do read file. Read file sync. First says that there's no. Got it. Okay, I forgot the video. Or rather that I forgot that it was screenshots and then video ID directory and then the screenshot. Okay, so video ID is equal to this. So place that, video ID, and so it should actually be screenshots slash video ID slash screenshot, and then we should have it. Yay! Oops. Yes! Okay. Unit 8 array. I wonder if that's the thing we want. Shape 320. Okay. So what does it mean? Pixels.shape.slice. Thank you so much, Thorkel. I think you are missing the subfolder in your screenshots folder. Yep, you are absolutely right. Yep, and then that worked. And so that is, I'm guessing this is the width, height, and then I'm guessing the 4 means that it's RGBA. Is where each frame is a slice of the final array. That's what I'm guessing. Or no, is it RGB? Just RGB? Stride. What does stride mean? CB reads all the pixels from URL into an ND array. And type is an optional MIME type for the image. And CB pixels is a callback which gets triggered once the image is loaded. Okay, returns an ND array of pixels in raster order. Channels ends in RGBA, I'm guessing. So that means, it's weird though. So, let's see, const. Do I use const? Yeah. Width, height, channels is equal to pixels dot. Why do I have to do a slice? pixels dot length. Oh wait, so this is the data. Okay, so pixels dot data dot length unit 8 array. So is that what? So is that what 320 times 180 times 4? Okay, so uint 8 array. So if I just go through these, so actually I feel like I should be able to get the colors that way, because it returns it just like how Canvas returns it. So then, let's see, for x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, I'll call this image width and image height, actually, so that it's clear. Image height. And then this one is, I think I'll make that back to 5, so every 5 pixels maybe? Wait, hold on. It's not. But should this be let or const? The color, so where's the data? Okay, data is, so in here it was the image data. Const image data is equal to pixels dot data. And let's put in image data, image data, image data. And then const colors equals to an array. Let's see if this works. Console.log colors. Yay! Okay, I think that works. That looks right. I hope that's right. So we have the colors. And now here we want to cluster the colors. Oh, I need to require and cluster fk. Cluster fk is equal to require cluster fk. Okay. Now take this one over, copy and paste. I hope it works just like that. Let's see. Ow. Okay, so colors, and then x is equal to 0, swatch size. Okay, I don't think I need swatch size anymore. Oh, no, I don't think I do. I don't think I need this either, because this was just basically drawing the color onto my canvas. So I don't need swatch size. And, oh, I guess I do need low dash. Const is equal to require low dash. And, okay, let's make sure that this is going to work. So there's colors, I'm passing in cluster colors, clusters, H cluster. Oh, I need something where I need this function. It's going to help me get the leaves. Recursively go through cluster and only the leaves. And then, so this is, I did this dot leaves cluster, and now I don't need this dot. Group width. Why do I need group width? I don't need group width anymore. Nope, I don't. Cluster size. Okay, so I need that for when I save this. Nope, unhandled error events. This dot leaves is not a function. I thought I already got rid of that. Oh, of course, I don't want to do that. Concat that with K. Yay! Okay. Cool, cool. This is exciting. Let me just kind of take a look at. Okay. So now what I want to do is, so now it gives me back the cluster size and the average color for that cluster. And now what I want to do is save that to my JSON for that screenshot. So let me actually commit this actually. And oh, I've been working on trying to fix Hamilton, and I feel like I'm very close. The wrong one. And I just have a few more bugs I need to take care of, but I hope that I can fix the Hamilton bug by sometime later today. Okay, so this is the Tay, and I went and got package.json get pixels, and then what the discard that change, and oh, did I, oh yeah, rename, oh, hi ABC122694220, yes, okay, thank you so much for following. Okay, so this one, rename caption file. Oh, I think I was going to do this after I renamed all the caption files. I forgot about that. Okay, so start script get one image and cluster the colors. Cool. Okay, now that I've done that, I think what I want to do is I actually want to go through each of the videos, or I mean each of the screenshots, and function get colors for screenshot. And then so this is the screenshot. So put it into this function and then use actually maybe I'll get it for timestamp. Take colors for image. I'll call it image. Image. Okay. Image.screenshot, and then here then what I want to do is after getting cluster size and color, save it to the JSON. Okay, so to the image JSON. So video data, or no, I'm gonna console.log, so, so I think I want to call it image.colors. Oh, wait. Okay. So I think what I want to do is say return for each of these. I want to do it as an array or size, cluster size. Color is color average. Console.log clusters, and then after that I want to save it. So that would be image.colors is equal to, actually let me do this. I think I'm going to call this const let, and then const let colors equal to let clusters, and then reassign that, and then image.colors equals to clusters, console.log image, no, and then console.log.image. Oh, I'm not calling the function, duh. Okay, get colors for image, video data, and do the first video data. Perfect. So it has the start of that screenshot, or the start timestamp, middle timestamp, end timestamp, and I'm using the middle timestamp. And then I'm taking the screenshot here, and here is all of the colors. Perfect. And so then save it to file. So I want to actually save, I want to save this every single time I get the screenshot colors. fs.write file sync. And then this is video file is equal to this. Video file. And then this way, I can save it to my video file. JSON.stringify. Wait, no. This is the wrong place. Okay, I want to save it to my video file, and then JSON.stringify, stringify video data. Let's see if that's working. And now, take a look at this. JSON.formatter. Yay! Okay, now I have the colors for that one screenshot. So this is the script. Why are you... Oh, okay. So script save colors for a screenshot. Now I want to do it for all the screenshots in that video. So now I want to there's the video data, and let index is equal to Okay, so this index is equal to 0. And this is for keeping track of which screenshot we're at. So then that way, we can do index here. And then we can just right here do, then go to next image. And that would be index plus equals 1, and then get colors for image and video data next index. And then I want to have something here that says if index is now greater, actually if index is now equal to video data length, then return. So if we've gone through all the images for the video, then stop. Did it work? Yes, I think that worked. It's taking a while. Yay! Okay, I've now gotten colors for all of them. Well, all of the screenshots in this video. Yes, okay. In that case, this is exciting. This is very exciting. Okay, let me save that. So, script get colors for every image in a video. Commit to master, and this is now the new so video data with colors for each screenshot. Okay, now that I have that, I was actually not expecting this to go so quickly. I mean, I knew that because I had most of my, yeah, I had this cluster code already, so I knew that it was going to go a bit quicker, but I didn't expect it to go that much quicker. So I guess I have enough time still to, okay, my plan was now I want to display every single screenshot along with their primary, or along with their colors in the browser and see if there's any trends I can see. Yeah, so let's do that. So get app.js, there's the video data, and then I'm going to import, actually for video data this time around, I'm going to call it the so I'm going to import that. Oh wait, no, I need to bring that over. Okay. I'm quite excited right now. Okay, where's that data file? There we go. So I'm gonna have to bring this into my source folder and put it into this data folder so that I can access it in my React component, app component. And then, let's see, so what I want to do, this is called cluster. So for now, actually, let me not even really do anything with it yet. Let me just take a look at the data. You can start and then get an idea or a sense for what I can do with it. Cool. Okay, so there are 46 screenshots, and each of them, wow, some of them have like, okay, I'm very, very excited. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do for now is, what do I wanna do? 64 colors, wow. 40 colors here, 51 colors here, 43 colors here. Each of them have quite a few colors. Okay, in that case, what would be the smart thing to do? Okay, for now, all I'm going to do is show the screenshot, and then yeah, let me show the screenshot, and then maybe I'll just map the hues of each of these colors, maybe? Yeah, let's try that. Thank you, Horfutug. Thank you so much for following. Okay, so I'm going to use Chroma.js, which is a really, really great color library, or a library to help you with color manipulations. And with that, I'm going to get the hue. You know what? Even before that, let me just go ahead and show all of the screenshots. So let's see, go through bar images is equal to go through each of the video datas, image, and then return div. Let's see, oh wait. Oh, so we went to this Korean Mexican fusion place in San Francisco last night called like Taqueria, and the food was so good, and I just like ate the leftovers for lunch earlier, and now I still have the bowl. It's like completely empty, but then it smells so good right beside me. I just got like a waft of it. Okay, so I'm just gonna show image source is equal to image.screenshot, and I actually need to, so let's data, and actually I think I want to put the screenshots into public. Yeah, it'd probably be good to put the screenshots into public so that I can load them. Maybe actually I'll put it into images. Let's see. Public. Okay. Into images. I'm going to delete all of these right now. And then I'm going to put it in here. And so what I can do now is use whatever, so create React app, and then what is my public, so public, using a public folder, so in here, process.m.public URL, and then I think that should work. And then show the images. Does it work? Will you work? Maybe? No? No? Huh. Oh. Again, I need the video ID. So, oops. There's the video ID. And then okay, so it goes into the image file or image folder, and actually I just realized I think I call it images. Yes, by images, and then the video ID, and then it's the screenshot name. Yes, there we go. And then hopefully it will show up now. Perfect. Ah, so much nostalgia right now. I'm having like a little bit too much fun, I think. Okay. And now, oh man, that nostalgia. Okay, so for each of these images, I have these colors. And actually for each of the colors, I think what I want to do is, let me do it this way. Let me reuse this cluster component. And let me remake this into an SVG where const width is equal to 600, const height is equal to 180, SVG width is equal to width, height is equal to height, and then let me now pass in the image data into, so I'll do that for now. Now here I can component the amount, and I can use this console.log. Thank you. I'm actually a little bit like more subdued than usual because also SQPM says I love your excitement. I'm actually more subdued than usual because I'm like, my neck is very sore and I'm like a little bit tired, but some things are really exciting, like getting screenshots of Taylor Swift music videos onto the screen and being like, wow, this looks like my teenage years. I mean, not that her music video looked like my teenage years, but rather that like, this is the kind of things I really enjoyed, like about a decade ago. I just realized I haven't been a teenager in about a decade. So that's also a little bit depressing. But other than that, pretty exciting. Okay. Cool. I'm so excited to put the colors on the screen. Okay. Now here what I'm going to do is use D3's force simulation. And yeah. So, component will mount. Actually, maybe I'll put it in the constructor. Constructor props, super props, create D3 force simulation. So this dot simulation is equal to D3 dot force simulation. And then for now, okay, let's leave it at that for now. And then the exciting part is, I need to load in Chroma, or I need to npm install, say, chroma.js. Is it -js? Chroma, is it just Chroma? Where does it say? I never noticed. That's super cute. The tail like wags. Okay, npm install chroma-js. Okay. And then I can use, so Chroma is really great because I can do things like, pass it in an RGB, and it will give me back what the hue is, or something along those lines. Yes. HSV, hue, saturation, and value, or hue, saturation, lightness. Actually, I think I might want to do hue, saturation, lightness. I also just realized, I think okay, so what I can do now is you can start again, use Chroma. So I don't need Pacifica anymore. Import Chroma from chroma-js. And then let me go through each of the colors. So var color data, const color data is equal to map. And so I have this dot pops dot colors. Cool. So actually, these are actually nodes now. So I want to, basically what I have in mind is to take each of the colors, and then I want to, for now, all I want to do is be able to view them side by side. So, okay, so represent each of the colors as just a circle node, size by the number, so size by the size. And I want to lay it out with the X scale being the hue. X scale being the hue, and then Y scale being saturation. Actually, that might be really fun. I don't think I need force simulation yet, actually, in that case. So instead, what I can do is use a scale, not force simulation. So chroma.js const hue scale is equal to d3 scale linear. Wait, actually, so it's just out of 360. Okay, yeah, I can do that. So domain is from 0 to 360, right? These should, yeah, they're always 0 to 360. Hue is a color, yeah, from 0 to 360, and then saturation is from 0 to 1. So 0 to 360, and the range, so the output, I want it to just be hue. Let's put hue on X horizontal, so that'd be the width. And then let's put the saturation scale is equal to d3 scale linear. Domain is 0 to 1, range is from 0 to 1, is it? Well, for now, let's just put it 0 to height and see what happens. And hey, Cher! Thank you so much for joining. Oh, I guess this is excitement that, who was mentioning my excitedness to see you? Yes, you and I are in this together now. I don't know if you had a chance to see, but I have all the screenshots. And Wendy IS, thank you so much for following. And was it Kyle? I didn't think it was Kyle. I think it was somebody else. But I have all the screenshots, and I have the colors loaded, or like I now have all the colors for each of those screenshots clustered together. And what I'm trying to do now is just map each of the colors with X scale hue and Y scale saturation. So yeah, pretty excited. And I think that's all I'm going to do. And I think after that, I'm going to call it a day. So yes. Call it node. So const size and color is equal to the node. And Prince Sitanica, thank you so much for following. And you say someone else with a black and white photo, maybe, yay! So color. Oh, and I need to make that color into RGB actually, I think. Unless I can I just, with chroma, no, I do need to specify that it's RGB. Okay, so for color, so that means I need to make this into LED, right? So color is equal to RGB and color. Let's make sure that's correct. That should work, right? So let me not do that. And color. No chroma.js? Oh, chroma.js. Chroma.js. So, yes, okay, that looks great. And then with chroma.js, I want to get the hue saturation.hsl. Wait. Color.hsl. Okay, there we go. So then if I do chroma color.hsl, yes, perfect. And so let's see, const, and then so that be hue, saturation, lightness. I wonder what I can do with the lightness. That might be interesting also. And then I can take that and get my X and Y values. Yes. So, you know what? Actually, I don't think I... yes, okay. So then, const X is equal to hue scale, pass in the hue, and then const Y is equal to saturation scale, pass in the saturation, return color, color XY, and then, oh, and size is also important. Console.log nodes. Yes. Nice. Wait, okay. This is saturation 1? Wait, so does that mean it's all the way saturated? Okay, let's now plot them. So now I have the SVG. Okay, so this dot, I'm going to call this ref is equal to container. This dot container is equal to d3.select this dot refs dot container. So basically wrap that container element, SVG element, into a D3 selection. And now plot them. Yes, so let's see. Take out this container. So this dot container dot select all the circles dot end, and then bind the data of the nodes that we just calculated, and enter append, so create the circles, and then attribute cx should be the x we just calculated, attribute cy should be the y, attribute r is the d dot size, although I think I might want to scale that too in a bit, and then fill should be the color. Okay, moment of truth. What is it? Whoa. Man, so many blacks. This is kind of really cool. She has so many blacks. Okay, I should scale the radius too. I know, right? Woo! Okay, and it has no legend yet, but that's okay. I mean, no axes, but that's okay because we're just size scale. So we're just taking a look at what range. So I think maybe I just want it to be like between 3 pixels and maybe 20 pixels. And then here I should, well actually, so each of these are only one of these. I want to scale it by, well, okay, I guess it doesn't really matter for now. So, const size extents is equal to d3.extent, and then that's this dot props dot colors, and from the colors I want to get color dot size, and so this should give me the min and max sizes. Yes, okay, these are the min and max sizes. You know what, I'm going to make this one, and then I'm going to set that onto the scale as the domain size extent, and then size is equal to the size scale, and then let's see. Awesome. Actually, I'm going to make this bigger. Okay, so maybe instead of saturation, what I should be looking into is like lightness. Okay, so because it's not as much about, actually that's interesting. She has so much, man, oh man, this is really, really cool. Her music videos are so much darker than I expected them to be. But also kind of look at that, like there's like for this while there like this set of scenes, like it's all sepia tone, and in terms of hue, like it's just all the way over here, concentrated over here, and nothing in the rest of the hue scale. Like that's really interesting. This is cool. And okay, so actually let me also do some margins. So margins is equal to left is 20, right is 20, top is 20, bottom is 20 for now. And then so that's scale that margins dot left, and then width minus margins dot right. And then so lightness right now, so it's 0 is up here, and then 1 is down there. Let me flip that around. Height minus margins dot bottom, and then margins dot top. And I'm just doing this so that like these bubbles aren't really cut off so much. Yeah, look at that. That's cool. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I have no idea. Huh. What am I gonna do with this? But hey, I have oh wait. Let me ignore some things. So no screenshots, no public / images for now. For now. Wait. Oh, yes. Why aren't you being mode? Yeah, I'll figure that out in a bit. Yeah. Okay, I guess that's pretty much it for today. And I'll think about what I'm gonna do tomorrow and what I can do with this data. Ooh, fascinating. Maybe I should make this a little bit smaller. So I think these are, I think all the way to the right is like all the red kind of colors, and she like really doesn't have that many red kind of colors, huh? At least in this video. So I think it makes sense for most of them that like on all the way to the left are kind of her skin tones. I think these are some greens in the middle. I wonder what I'll get if I took every single color there is. Let's see. So in my scripts, I have the cluster colors, and then in here I'm getting, I think, every 12 pixels. So if I just got every single pixel, what would that look like? Scripts, get cluster colors. Oh, yes, I did something. Yes, put that into source data, and then let's do a screenshot file. So that should work. And then I want you to save I want you to save into, yes, that exact source data. Let's see. This is taking a lot longer. Uh-oh, I think I might have overwhelmed it. Oh, it's that I deleted these. Okay. So I deleted these. So git ignore, that makes sense. So ignore. For now, ignore all public images. Oh, thank you so much, Matrobelli, for following. And then add promo.js, package.json, add promo.js, and then for these, delete and do thumbnail images. Add plus cluster, draw, average colors for one video. Okay, I kind of really regret doing that. I kind of really regret asking for it to like calculate everything. Okay, I'm sorry, don't get mad at me. I'm gonna try and do every 5 pixels. I'm sorry I made you do that. Okay, please forgive me, and please now try and calculate every 5 pixels. Yes, okay. Yes, okay, I'm going to start. So this is going to be now colors sampled every 5 pixels. Whoa, this is cool. Okay, so now we can see quite a bit more of the spread. Oh man, this is awesome. Okay, I think every 5 pixels is quite good. Yeah, look at that. I need to go and kind of think about what I want to do with this data. I also think it's really interesting. So I don't know what this part is supposed to be. Is this just gray? Hold on. So hue, what does hue look like? The spread of hues. So from 0 to 360, so this is 180. Oh, so this is blue. Okay, so right in the middle, around here is the blues, and it's so interesting that like, so for this first part, it makes this sort of a pattern of like, so the reds and yellows, or like the browns, and it kind of dips. That's super interesting. So it dips, and then it comes back up for like the blues, and then completely dips for like the greens. So these are, I guess, the greens, and it has that pattern for a while. And then there's this splash of pink when she puts on that. She puts that on, and then it has still this kind of curve. And here, like I said before, the spread is like very, it's just all sepia toned. And then again, that kind of curve Now there's a lot of blues here. And now, yeah, so for the last bit of sequences, there's quite a bit of blue. This is very fun. Thank you so much, Daniel. Says looks awesome, really great. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna do this offline where I go and take the screenshots for every single one of the videos, and then I run this script for all of those videos or on all of those screenshots because I don't think coding that part is going to be that interesting. So, but I think what would be interesting is being able to compare all of these across her music videos. I don't actually know how I'm gonna do that just yet, but I'm very happy with this right now. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna compare across music videos just yet. Okay. Oh, Vampire Top, thank you so much for catching me live, and thank you so much for being a big fan from Colombia. Actually, that's really, really cool that you're from Colombia. And I feel like maybe in the future I can ask where people are from. And yeah, but yeah, I think that's it for today. And then I'll be back tomorrow, 8 p.m. Pacific. And sorry that you just joined Vampire Talk. Sorry that you just joined and I'm gonna go away. I think today I was only gonna do an hour because I'm a little bit tired. And then I'll be back tomorrow, 8 p.m. And try and make sense of what I can do with this data. Yeah. So thank you so much, Sally292, for following. Okay, thank you. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye.